What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Griddle Grub. Today we're going to be making crab cakes and they are going to be delicious. And I already got them made here, but I'm going to show you how I did that and how I made the REMOULADE sauce. So let's check that out first and then we'll come back and get this going. This as well. So what I'm going to do is just spread some butter, or oil. I do got butter over here as well. But we're going to get some oil down first. And I'm going to throw these green beans down first. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright. What kind of green beans are these? They're the long kind. Not that, the short kind you buy in the cans. These are nice and fresh. So let's just get these all on here. Let's turn them up. Try and get that oil all over them. I'm gonna throw a little butter on these as well. I got clarified butter. I finally had some free time and made some clarified butter. I don't buy the stuff that you can buy clarified butter. I think it's called G or something, I don't know. But it's just too expensive. I'm not about that life. So let's go ahead and get these on. Let's throw some salt and pepper down. All right. All right. There we go. Let's turn them up a little more. Oh, smell that pepper, baby. All right. All right, just spread them around. Let these start cooking up nicely. You know, I'll throw a little butter on there right now. So I got an entire pack with 4 sticks of butter in there, melted them down, and I got 1 cup. 1 cup of it. I like to try and filter out as much of that stuff as I possibly can. It's still a little, it was in the fridge, so it's still warming up a little bit, but we're good. We got some butter on there. All right, so we got the butter down, or I'm sorry, the oil. The oil's down here. So what I'm gonna do, all right, got them green beans cooking up real good. All right, so we made, that was 1 pound of crab, and so let's go ahead, I got 6 patties out of it, so let's go ahead and just start putting them down. I put them in the freezer for 30 minutes to help firm them up and get that initial fry going good. Alright. There we go. So boom, I'm gonna leave them on there for 3 minutes, but let that hand. Throw a little bit of this clarified butter around them. Let that start cooking them up. Bring you back in 2 minutes and we'll check them out. All right, so you see these things. There's a nice golden brown going on there. It's not burnt. These are done over here, so I turned these burners off. These are still, I've done this whole thing over here on medium. So it's roughly, let's see here, like 370, which, I mean, I have it on medium, but it's gonna keep getting hotter. So let's go ahead and throw a little bit more clarified butter on the back side of these. And this, the crab that I got, decided I was not gonna go through the whole ordeal of cracking them and all that stuff. So I bought the stuff that was already peeled and cooked and all that stuff. I'm not sure what brand it was. I just ripped this stuff apart and made it, so I'm not even sure what it was. But it's the stuff you buy in the store. It's a little expensive. An 8-ounce can was like, there was 2 different kinds. One was $10, one was like $16. So it's pretty expensive stuff to get a pound of crab meat out of that. It's a little expensive, but is really good too. So we're just cooking these things up. We got another couple minutes. I'm just gonna keep pushing this butter back onto here. I'll pour a little more and we'll bring you right back. All right, y'all, everything's done. I just turned the griddle off. Come on in and check these out, and make sure when you make crab cakes, make sure they're in the range of like 160-ish. That's what they say anyways. I don't know, that's what I do. But check this out before I dish it up, and we're gonna taste it. All right, you guys, I'm really excited to eat this. This looks really good. Even them green beans are fire. Where do I bite? Here we go. Let's take that chunk right there. Ooh, buddy. That is awesome. That is really good. Put some of this REMOULADE sauce on this one over here. Let's give this one a bite. That is so good, I ain't even lying. So good. The sauce, I've never made it before. Oh, we got a seed. So I watched some videos on YouTube. I kind of combined like 4 different recipes and made my own, basically. So everything's in the description. All the ingredients I use for everything is in the description. In the little clips of me making this stuff, we kind of have a little view of what we were using. A lot of people use plain breadcrumbs. Didn't have any plain breadcrumbs, so we just used the Italian seasoning panko breadcrumbs, and they worked out perfect because these are fire. So I'm gonna get in and eat my dinner, y'all. Appreciate you coming along. We are giving a griddle away at 3,000 subscribers. We're at about 1,850, I think, right now. So at 3,000, we're gonna be giving a griddle away, bigger one than last time. So make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, and demolish that thumbs up for me if you liked the video today. And we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.